Okay, so now we are ready to create our theme. And I'm going to make this very obvious about what's happening when we're doing it by putting a whole bunch of slides in. So right now I just have 3 slides. I'm going to add a few. So I'm going to say slide, new slide, and you may or may not have done this before where you apply your layout. So here is our blank slide. It's following a certain layout. I'm going to say slide and apply layout. So I'm going to pick that cover slide. Notice it says click to add title, click to add subtitle. Now I'm going to slide, apply another one, and I'm going to say slide, apply layout. And I'm just going to kind of go right on down, click to add title, slide, new slide, slide, apply layout. I'm going to do this just for a few. Let's say I make 4 slides, slide, new slide, and then slide, apply layout. And let's pick the next one in line. Okay, so now we have 4. They look like blanks right now because we've not put any placeholder text or images, but they're also all white backgrounds. So we're going to keep things pretty simple. I'm going to move this slide up, and our slides are going to be focused on setting your font at the top theme level, customizing your font slide by slide, and then setting your background. So we kind of did this out of order in that I started with create your slides and apply layouts so that we'll see them populate over here on the left. So let's go to the theme. So you're probably used to just going at the slide by slide level. The theme is in that same spot. It's under slides, but what you do instead is you go down and you say slide, edit theme. So I'm going to choose that. And I'm going to stay on this top one and I'm going to change the font. So I'm not going to go for pretty right now. I'm going to go for just kind of garish and obvious that we've changed it. So here I have Arial right now. I'm going to change it and I'm going to say, let's go with Chewy. And I'm going to make it very big. Now I want you to notice that on all of these, it changed to Chewy. Okay, so now let's do something equally obvious. Let's change this all the way down. I'm using my mouse to click this. And every level, I don't want it to be Arial. I want it to be something very obvious. So let's make it this. Again, I'm going for garish. So let's make it this one. So we've got Pacifico, and you'll see that on every level, it changed to Pacifico. So now the next thing that I want us to notice is we can change the background. If I want to change the background and make every slide the same color, I can do that. Now I can still change the individual slides if I wish. So let's pretend that our favorite color is purple. Okay, some of us love purple. So I just tend to go towards gradients. So I'm going to choose gradient and I'm going to choose this purple gradient. Okay, so everything here is purple. Now, I mistakenly had customized this background. So it's kind of nice that I did this because I can say reset to theme. So you can see if there's one that's isolated, maybe you set it different than everything else. Look what happened. All of my slides over here turned purple. Okay, well, you might not want everyone to be purple. So go back over here and say, well, this one was my big title slide. That's my title slide. This one was just a top title. So I'm going to take my top title slide and I'm going to change the background to something different. So I'm going to go again to slides, edit theme, and I'm going to find that top title slide. So here it is. And I'm going to choose background just for this one. Now, right now, you notice I have a gradient. Instead, I'm going to choose image. And later in another unit, we'll do more complex units, more complex backgrounds. But right now, I'm simply going to search. I did a purple unicorn background search, and I'll go with this one. And let's see if I like it. And I'll scroll down. And I think I have to remove my face so that I can insert that background. So I'm going to say done. And now look what happened over here. My purple unicorn is here, but I also see that I'm not really going to see that title very well. So I'm going to go back to the slides edit theme and I'm going to say anytime I have this, I want to put this as a white. I'm going to see that pretty well. So look what's going to happen over here. It's going to be white. So if I go back up to the top now, I have set my font at the top theme level. Great, did that. I've customized my font, did that. I've set a background, simple, just my gradient or my Google Images. and I've created my slides and applied layouts. So those are the 4 things we covered. Now you'll get a chance to practice that.